If Canva is showing an error report, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is one of those problems that can happen because of a temporary browser issue, a slow internet connection, a full cache, or even a browser extension interfering with Canva. The good news is, most of the time you can get back into Canva in just a few minutes without losing your work. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The very first thing to try is a simple refresh. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R at the same time. This reloads the page and can clear a temporary loading glitch. If Canva was stuck on an error report or failed to open properly, a refresh is often the quickest fix. After that, wait a moment and see if the page loads correctly. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open a new tab and search for a speed test. Run a speed test and make sure your connection is stable. Canva needs a reliable connection to load projects, fonts, images, and edits properly. If your internet is slow or dropping in and out, that can trigger error messages. If possible, switch to a stronger connection or restart your router before trying Canva again. Now let's clear the browser cache, because old or corrupted cached files can cause Canva to misbehave. Open your browser menu by clicking the three dots in the top corner. Go to Delete Browsing Data. Look for cached images and files, then select it. You can also clear the cached data for the time range you want, then click Clear. Once that's done, reopen Canva and check whether the error report is gone. This step is especially useful if Canva was working before and suddenly started failing. If you're still seeing the issue, browser extensions may be the problem. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can block Canva scripts and cause an error report to appear. Open your browser menu again, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, go back to Canva and test it again. If Canva starts working, you've found the cause. If none of that works, try opening Canva in a different browser. For example, if you were using Chrome, try Edge, Firefox, or another supported browser. You can also try switching networks, such as using mobile data or another Wi-Fi connection. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your browser, your device, or your network. Sometimes the fix is as simple as moving to a cleaner browser session. Now, if the problem still continues, you can report the error directly to Canva. First, open Canva. Then look for the question mark or help button in the bottom corner of the screen. Click it and use the support option to describe the issue. Be as clear as possible and explain exactly what is happening, including when the error appears and what you are trying to do. Once you send the report, Canva may provide a solution or guide you to the next troubleshooting step. So to quickly recap, start with a refresh, then check your internet speed, clear your cache, disable extensions, and try another browser or network. If needed, submit the error report to Canva through the Help menu so their support system can help identify the issue. These steps solve most Canva error report problems without much effort. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.